How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Monzo bank statement. So first of all, you want to open up your Monzo app, and then below your balance, there will be three dots. Press on them, and that'll open up this drop down menu. And as you'll see, the third option down says bank statement. Press that, and here it'll bring up your statement history, so you can choose between the months, or you can select a custom range that you want to check. So we'll just download the last 3 months, so press on that, and it'll ask how you would like to export these transactions. We're going to select a PDF, and then you type in your PIN. So as you can see, it brings up your Monzo bank statement, and from here you see the three dots in the top right, and you want to press that, and then it will give you the option to download. So just download, and as you can see, it's successfully downloaded. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.